Rakshabandhan special Desicated Coconut Laddoos. These are very easy and quick to prepare and they taste delicious. This is Aditi.
I am Avani.
And now let us have a look at our ingredients. Avnish, please explain us. 3 cups desiccated coconut, 1/4 cup desiccated coconut for garnishing, 1 cup sugar, 1 cup milk, half cup milk powder, and this is 1 tablespoon or less than 1 tablespoon elaichi powder, chopped almonds, 5-6 chopped almonds, and 3 tablespoons of ghee. Now let us start preparing our laddoos. Desiccated coconuts. We'll take a bowl. Sugar. 1 cup sugar. Add milk. And half cup milk powder. And 3 tablespoons of ghee. We will add this gradually. We will turn off the gas. We will add some more milk if needed to make the mixture more moist. We will mix them all. We will heat it on a low to medium heat. And we will cook this mixture for about 8 to 10 minutes till all the sugar is melted and we will form a dough on this. You can add some elaichi powder or cardamom powder as per your taste. We will mix it. After cooking for 8 to 10 minutes, we will look at our mixture. You can even add some more milk if you feel that your mixture is dry. Now our dough is ready and soft to make laddoos. Now we have cooled down the mixture to room temperature, and while the mixture is warm enough, we will start rolling our laddoos. Take some amount of dough. We will take a little bit amount of mixture. Now we will put this laddu and coat it with a desiccated coconut. And now all the laddus are ready. And the best part is garnishing them with almonds or pistas. The laddus are looking tempting. Now our desiccated coconut laddoos are ready. If you like our Rakshabandhan special recipe, then like and subscribe our channel.